Hey, what's going on YouTube? Once again, right here, this is your boy Luis right here, coming at you with another fresh tutorial, okay? Well, in today's episode, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to change the region into Microsoft Store, okay? So let's go ahead and get started right away. Come over here to your little search icon right here, and we're gonna go ahead and click that, and right there, just go ahead and type the word settings, okay? You may not even have to type the whole word, okay? Because it's gonna go ahead and auto populate for you. Go ahead and go to settings right there, and we're gonna come over here to where it says time and language. You go to time and language, then you select language and region, and right here where it says country or region, as you can see, mine is set to Portugal. I can assure you I am not in Portugal, but I said it like that for the sake of this tutorial. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and leave it as it is. Now come over here to your Microsoft Store, and let's go ahead and verify that the currency in Portugal, it's euros. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and verify the price of an app. Go ahead and go to apps right there. Then we're gonna go ahead and scroll down a little bit. All right, so you can see right there the price of this particular software is 99.99 euros. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and change it, that way you can see how the currency automatically gets updated once you change the country. All right, so Portugal, let's go ahead and change another one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it back to the US. Then you minimize that. As you can see, that automatically does a refresh by itself. Okay, and you can see the price, it went from euros to dollars. Okay, so that's the way you change the region into the Microsoft Store. Why would you want to do this? You're probably wondering, like, okay, but what's the point of doing this? Well, you can definitely take advantage if you're using a currency that's higher and you want to go ahead and buy an app on a different currency. That way you can get the program cheaper. Okay, so you can definitely take advantage of that. All right, so that's the way you go ahead and change the region there. Or you can also see all the other apps and programs and games or whatever that are available out there, because sometimes they're not available in your country. All right, so that'll be another good way of doing that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. That was another tutorial brought to you right here by your boy Luis. So please go ahead and show me some love. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I'll check you out here shortly in another tutorial. Peace out.